So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi! How are you doing today? I'm doing awesome! Oh, what's behind me? This right here? Yeah, this machine is a wheel loader. And today, you and I are gonna learn about wheel loaders. I sure do love wheel loaders. Before we do anything else with this wheel loader, we need some safety equipment. The first thing I need is a hard hat. Oh, hey. Hey. Pretty please? Oh, thank you. All right, got my hard hat on. Now I need a safety vest. Ooh, a bright orange safety vest. When you have you can go now. Okay. When you have a bright orange safety vest on, it makes it so machines and their operators can see you. All right, here we go. Now let's learn the parts of the wheel loader. Come on. Whoa, look at this. This is the bucket of the wheel loader, and it is a really big bucket. Let's check out the inside of it. Wow, it's so big in here. It's pretty roomy. Maybe I could lay down and take a nap. Wait a second. No time for napping, because you and I need to learn the parts of a wheel loader. Ooh, like this. This is the loader frame, and it holds the bucket. And look up there. That's what powers everything. That is a really big hydraulic cylinder. Whoa, look at this. This is a big wheel and a big tire. And you see this on the tire? Yeah, this is called tread. And what it does is make sure when you're driving on mud, you don't slip and slide. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, come on. Whoa, see up there? That's the cab. That's where the operator of the wheel loader sits. Check this out. I'm gonna go up there. Hello! Hi! I'm so high up here, and you're so low down there. All right, I'll come down now. Wonder what else there is on this wheel loader. Hey, like this. This is where the engine of the wheel loader is. Let's open it up. I can't find how to open up the engine compartment.
Well, Blippi, I'm glad you've asked. Oh, the switch is right here.
Now that's what I call ground line serviceability. Okay, now let's check the oil. All right. Okay. Whoa, that's a really big dipstick. Whoa, huh, and it looks like the oil is perfect. So let's put the dipstick back, and now that it's back, we can take it for a spin. Alrighty, now let's head to the top of the wheel loader so we can operate it. But I need to tell you about the rule of 3 points of contact. That means since we have 4 limbs, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to have 3 of these touching the machine at all times. All right, here we go. We did it! Whoa, we are inside the wheel loader now. Wow, we're so high up. It's a great view up here. Wow. Oh, okay, let me show you the parts inside the wheel loader. But first, what we have to do is put on our seatbelt. Okay, good job. All right, so this right here is the steering wheel and steering column. It even can go down and up. Whoa, whoa. However you like it. Ooh, and look at this. This is the gear shifter. This determines what gear you're in, how fast you're gonna go. And this kind of looks like a joystick. Yeah, but this operates the front bucket. If you pull it back, it all raises. If you push it forward, it lowers. If you go left and right, it tilts up and down, so then you can scoop, scoop, scoop. All right, here I go. Yeah! It has been so much fun learning about wheel loaders with you.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi! Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!